Welcome to Sigzen SFA. In this video, you will learn how to manage customer-led an opportunity in ERPNext. First of all, click on Customer-led opportunity. This will display the customer list. Click on Lead and you will see all the created leads. Click on the Create button. Then select Basic. Click on Lead Name and insert the lead name. Next, click on Select Lead Type and choose the appropriate lead type. Click on Contact Number and enter the number. Then proceed to Email and insert the email address. After that, click on Select Lead Sources and choose the lead source. Next, click on Select Lead Status and choose the status. Click on the Contact button. Then select WhatsApp number and enter the number. Click on Select City and choose the city. Then select Area and choose the area. Enter the address in address line 1 and address line 2. And then add the PIN code. Finally, click on Save. Now, you can see the details of the created lead. Next, click on Opportunity. And you will see all the created opportunities. Click on the Opportunity Create button. Then select Basic. Click on Expected Closing Date. And choose the date. Next, click on Select Opportunity Form. And select the form. Click on Select Lead and choose the relevant lead. Select Opportunity Type. Then choose the opportunity status. Next, click on Opportunity Stage and select the stage. Choose the city and area. Then click on Add New Item to include a new item. Enter any relevant details in remarks. Then click Create and confirm with Yes. The opportunity is now created successfully and you can refresh to view it. Click on Back to return to the previous screen. After this, click on Tour Planner and press the Create button. Select the From Date. Then the To Date. Choose the plan type. Then select the mode of transportation. Click on Invite Salesperson. Choose the salesperson. And click Apply. Select from city and to city. Then click on Area Selection and choose the area. Proceed with Customer Selection and choose the customer. Then click Apply. Next, select the lead, followed by Opportunity Selection. Enter any remarks in the Remarks section. Then click Create. Confirm with Yes, and the Tour Planner will be created. Click Back to return to the menu. Click on Field Activity, then on Create Field Activity List. Select the tour plan date, and then choose the tour plan. You can now view the created field activity. Click on Customer to see the list, then Lead to view the leads, and Opportunity to see the opportunities. Click on a customer and select Start Meeting, then confirm with Yes. Click Create, select Order Item, add a new item, and click Apply. Click Create and confirm with Yes. The order will now be visible. Proceed by clicking on Activity, select the activity, and plan the next visit. Enter remarks and click Create, then confirm with Yes. You can now view the activity. Click back and then End Meeting, confirm with Yes, and you will see the customer's field activity marked as completed. Next, click on Lead and select Start Meeting. Confirm with Yes, then proceed to Create. Click on Select Activity. Choose the activity. Plan the next visit. Enter remarks. And click Create. Confirm with Yes, and the activity will be visible. Click back to the menu and then End Meeting. Confirm with Yes, and the lead will be marked as completed. Finally, click on Opportunity and select Start Meeting. Confirm with Yes, then click Create. Choose Select Activity. Plan the next visit. And enter remarks. Click Create. Confirm with Yes, and the opportunity activity will be visible. Click Back. Then End Meeting and confirm with Yes to complete the opportunity activity. Afterward, click on Submit Field Activity. Confirm with Yes, and you will see that the field activity has been successfully submitted.